today we're gonna see what would the trade for a neon sloth. And then guys, I have no more pets because I've been giving them away for free. Okay, let's get started and see what would they get for this neon sloth. Before we start this with this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and let's get started. Guys, this is gonna take a while. Guys, look, I'm so broke. I already have like 2 neon pets. Okay, guys, let's see what double trade for this neon sloth. Let's go over there, guys, with the risk report. Okay, you guys, let's type it and say that we're trading the neon sloth. Okay, guys, see what would they give for this neon sloth. Guys, and if they give me like a red parrot or something, guys, I have to accept it. To see, cause you know, guys, we have to see what would they give. Like, damn. Guys, so this guy came with the with the parrot, and he declined it. It's a good. Yeah. Guys, this guy said, Betty plus ECC, please. Guys, comment down below. You guys have neon bat dragons because I'm really trying to get one. And yeah. Guys, no one's, oh yeah. Okay, guys, gotta trade. Let's see what will they give. OMG, guys. The pet that I wanted. No way, guys. Please accept it, please. Please. Guys, she declined it. That's okay, guys. Guys, I'm really looking for a bad dragon. Okay, guys, so I think no one wants to trade for this. So let's change this into trading neon parrots. Guys, because I know people will trade stuff for this parrot because it's neon. Ride and flying is legendary, guys. So let's see what they give. Guys, in the story, that's that thing that we can't get the parrots no more. So that's kind of sad. Guys, if they give me a neon unicorn and the bad dragon, I will literally just accept it. Let's see what they give. Let's see what they're giving. 2 bees? Hell no. And a bunny? Never mind. That's a bad trade, guys. Someone please give me a neon unicorn and a bad dragon, guys. That's what I'm looking for. An owl. That's not good trade. Okay, guys, so I'm thinking about it, guys, and no one's giving me like good stuff. That's a bad trade, guys. Like, I'll literally just accept it for like 2 neons or neon and something legendary. And yeah, guys, let's see. Okay, guys, he declined it. Guys, I'm really looking for one. Oh, damn. 2 neons. More, guys. I'm telling him to put more. Because it's kind of not worth it when you think about it. Okay, guys. Just look, if he puts like more stuff, like more legendaries, I will accept it. It's worth. And put it's more, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, guys, so he's giving me some dumb stuff. I'm gonna say neon sloth for parrot. Guys, I'm trying to really get the parrot because there's gonna be no more neon sloth for parrot. Okay, guys, let's see what they give. So let's see if he wants a neon sloth. Okay, guys, neon sloth for parrot. You guys, let's see if he wants to do it. Guys, I said ain't worth that. Ain't got me. Neon sloth for parrot. Guys, this kid is dumb or what? Neon sloth for parrots. Okay, guys, he said no. Okay, I'm leaving. But okay. Guys, this guy does not want to give it to me. Because I don't want his shitty ass pets. That ain't even good. That's not even a good trade. Guys, I'm really trying to get a parrot off this. That'd be literally a good deal. Shut the fuck up. Guys, and then, guys, let's go with the give. Okay, so, guys, I see nobody's giving nothing. So this be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. See you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.